Betterled LED floodlight FL08 series. It is super thin design. With very nice looks, it is a classic model. The materials of the housing is ADC12 aluminum and high pressure die casting. On the backside, there are many fins to make the heat come out quickly and keep the temperature lower. The PCB also use big size and good thermal. It can stick well on the housing, so can lead the heat go to the housing soon. On the front T use tempered glass, with high transparent rate. Can increase the lumen output. Use the stainless steel clips to fix the glass to the housing, which is easy to do assemble, and looks nice. There also have different angles lenses for option, so it can use in different places, such as billboard, building lighting, square, high mast light, sport field lighting.